We got the 5G with us, and we are headed to a car show. But first, we're in a parking lot, and we gotta meet up with Ruby, and we just so happen to park next to Ruby. So let's go over and check out Ruby. So here she is, and I'm here with Art. Art, you're showing me your better side.
You like that?
So I'm here with Art, and we're gonna team up, and we're just doing a little carpool out to the car show, and I'll meet all you guys out there. What is going on, everybody, and welcome to the channel. Well, we made it out here to the car show. We brought the 5G with us, and you seen how we met up with Ruby. And let me show you something that what Art's still doing. Art is still cleaning and wiping down Ruby. Well, there's nothing wrong with having a nice clean vehicle, but if you're new to the channel, hit down on that like, comment, and subscribe button. Don't forget to ring that notification bell so you guys stay posted when we do videos and different car shows like this, because we are going to get out there a little bit more. And I got a call from a couple friends and said, hey, there's this car show going on, why don't you guys come on up and check it out and this and that. And I said, sure, why not? So it's for a good cause, and we are at the Slovak Club in Hazelton, and this car show benefits the Helping Hand Society of Hazelton. And so check them out. If you didn't like this video, well, maybe in the next car show video you will, so you don't want to miss that. But like I said, we got the 5G with us, and there is a few other people here that you guys are going to see that's familiar in some of the other videos that we do. And if you're in the market of looking for a lift kit, a leveling kit, shocks, or coilovers, or anything for your truck like that, check out skyjacker.com and use discount code WICKET_Fabz10 at checkout on their website, and you guys can receive an additional 10% off your order, and it's free shipping inside the over $99 inside the United States. So I'm happy that the channel is able to bring that deal out to you. But what do you say we walk around and check out this car show? Well, I made it back to the truck, and I hope you guys like this video. And like I said earlier, if you're new, smash down that subscribe button. Don't forget to ring that notification bell, and check out all the links in the description below. And follow me on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and also here on YouTube. Well, hope to see you all at the next car show or truck show. Till next time, I'm Joe, driving trucks and hunting bucks is how I roll with Wicked Fabz.